Okay, so I took this off and looked, didn't see anything, it looked really solid. I took that little gasket off of there, didn't see anything rattling around. I've thrown it into gear. Here's the noise. That rattling noise from the last video. But I figured it out. It's just the recoil. I think I know how to fix it. Yeehaw! Alright, car driving by in the background. So, obviously when you pull the recoil, these little suckers come out of there. But also just when this thing's spinning around real fast, I believe they come out as well. I think. And I think the noise is from the tip of these things hitting up against the edges of this thing. I think that's going ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling like that. So the way to fix that, I think, is for these to be shorter. So maybe you can take an angle grinder and grind those down. Oops, bad camera work. Okay, so they come right out. What you want to do is loosen this thing. You don't want to take it all the way off because then the spring will come popping out. But if you loosen it, then these little things will just fall out. And you can pretty much sort of stick them back in there and wedge them back into place. So I think my idea is to grind those down a little bit. Okay, so we got it back together. If you yank on this hard enough, far enough, these appear to be coming out. Even though they're sort of stuck on there, they do appear to pop out if you pull it back far enough. So presumably that will work. But we ran into a catastrophic problem, which is this thing, which had this suspicious glue on it, fell off. That's a pretty major part. It's probably better that it popped off though, now rather than later, when it might have gotten caught in here, out on the water. Probably better that it popped off now, so that I could put it back together with the deadly 3M5200 glue. I'm assuming that that'll do the trick. Give it 24 hours to cure, should be plenty, because most of the stress on the recoil unit is on these two bolts. So hopefully that'll all come back together and it'll be a success. If not, may have to buy a new recoil unit. Maybe you can get new teeth. Nobody knows. Wish us luck.